Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best RC monster trucks that deliver insane power, rugged performance, and non-stop fun. Whether you're bashing through dirt or tearing up the backyard, these beasts are built to impress. Let's get into it. Number 1, the hunt for an entry-level yet high-performance RC car that combines speed, durability, and serious fun. Your video on a HAIBOXING 1/18 scale all-terrain RC car 18859 hits the mark perfectly. From unboxing to field testing, the review is clear, engaging, and packed with all the technical insights a hobbyist or beginner needs to make an informed decision. Right off the bat, your breakdown of the 4WD system and independent suspension sets the tone, showing viewers this isn't just a toy but a capable machine. The 36 kph top speed is no gimmick, and your real-world test footage does a great job illustrating its power on gravel, grass, and pavement. Viewers can clearly see the torque in action and how well it handles sharp turns and small jumps. The slow-motion shots were a particularly nice touch, showing off the car's suspension response and tire grip in challenging terrain. You also did a great job explaining the 2.4 GHz remote system, highlighting its strong signal and responsiveness without unnecessary technical jargon. The fact that the car includes 2 rechargeable batteries is a huge plus for playtime and longevity, and your battery runtime comparison added valuable practical context. A standout part of your video was the waterproof testing. It was reassuring to see the car powering through puddles and wet grass without a hitch, emphasizing that this model is indeed adventure-ready in most weather conditions. In short, this is a must-watch video for anyone. Number 2, if you're looking for a reliable and exciting beginner RC car that delivers impressive performance right out of the box, then this video on the MEW4 116.4 by 4 RC off-road truck is a must-watch. The presentation is clear and engaging, offering a comprehensive look at the truck's key features, real-world performance, and what makes it such a great value for both beginners and seasoned RC enthusiasts. Right from the start, the video highlights the truck's high-speed capabilities, reaching up to 38 kilometers per hour, making it one of the faster models in its class for price. The footage of it tearing through dirt tracks, grass, and rocky terrain showcases the power of its 4WD system and the effectiveness of its all-terrain tires. The durability of the chassis and suspension system is also emphasized, with real-time clips demonstrating how well the MEW4 handles jumps and rough landings without compromising performance. What really stood out is the in-depth look at the dual 1,500 mAh batteries. The video does a great job explaining how the extended run time, up to 40 minutes total, enhances the overall experience, something every hobbyist can appreciate. The segment on the remote control is informative as well, covering its ease of use, responsive steering, and range, making it ideal for beginners who want to dive in without a steep learning curve. The presenter's insights into the truck's build quality, value for money, and suitability as a gift, especially for adult and teens, are also well thought out and helpful. The video wraps up with pros and cons, adding a balanced touch that feels honest and trustworthy. Overall, this video is a solid, informative review that not only showcases the MEW4 in action, but also provides valuable insights for anyone considering purchasing this RC monster truck. It's a perfect guide for first-timers and a useful reference for those adding to their collection. Number 3, if you're into rugged RC adventures, this video gives an exciting look at the JONEALA RC Trucks 4x4 off-road amphibious vehicle. The host does a great job showcasing the truck's dual motor power and how it handles various terrain, mud, sand, rocks, and even water. The 1/12 scale gives an impressive presence, and the waterproof design lives up to its claims in the demo. The inclusion of 3 rechargeable batteries is a big plus for extended playtime. The video clearly shows the speed, control, responsiveness, and durability of the monster truck, making it a helpful guide for parents or hobbyists considering a purchase. The pacing is good, with close-up shots of suspension and action sequences that highlight its off-road capabilities. A great mix of fun and practical info. Number 4, this video provides an excellent hands-on look at the Womaqu 114 Brushless RC car for adults, highlighting its power, speed, and rugged design. The 4WD system and brushless motor make a huge difference, reaching up to 42 miles per hour with impressive acceleration. I appreciated the detailed breakdown of the oil shock absorbers and their role in handling rough terrain. The two included 2S batteries really extend the fun, and the visuals clearly show just how durable this RC truck is during off-road action. Your commentary was informative and easy to follow, making this video perfect for beginners and seasoned RC enthusiasts alike. Overall, this review effectively showcases what makes the Womaqu stand out: performance, build quality, and value. Great filming and pacing. I walked away feeling confident about what to expect from this RC car. Highly recommended watch. Number 5, if you're into high-speed RC fun, the DEERC 1/16 scale RC car is an absolute blast. In this video, I take you through its powerful features, including a top speed of 30+ mph and a rugged 4WD system that handles off-road terrain like a champ. The video shows this RC monster truck in action: dirt, gravel, grass. It dominates them all. The build quality is impressive with shock absorbers and durable materials that make it perfect for both kids and adults. I also highlight the responsive 2.4 GHz remote, which ensures a smooth and interference-free driving experience. Whether you're gifting it or getting it for yourself, this RC car delivers adrenaline and performance. Be sure to check out the side-by-side speed tests and terrain runs I included. They really show what this truck can do. Like, comment, and subscribe for more RC reviews and action tests.